Hi, this is Rachelle, Journal Life's Journey, and I am here to share a Halloween handmade junk journal that I created. This is what it looks like. I decided to leave the cover plain, not put any design, embellishments, text, or anything on the cover. And I do believe I have a video showing how I made this cover. If I do, I'll link to it in the iCard up above and in the description box below. The cover measures, or the journal measures, 4 3/4 by 8 3/8, and the spine is 2 inches. Okay, so it is a mixed media cover. It is sealed. It has some gold accents on the cover, and as you can see, it is traveler's notebook style. So it has elastics with eyelets. This is the closure, and it is on eyelets as well. So when we open it up, it has a pocket in the front and a couple of journaling spaces with punched edging in black. You can use white gel pen or any color gel pen that works on black or dark colors. Then we also have this journaling card. It's inked and stamped. I'll also link to the shop where I got these papers. And again, there are videos showing some of the process of making this journal on the channel. I'll link to all of that below. So this is our first signature or notebook, and we have 3 notebooks and 1 folder, and the notebooks come out like this. So you can take them out to write in them, work in them, however you choose. So let's go through the first one. And I'm not going to comment on everything. I'm just going to kind of try and do a brief flip through to show you what's here. And this is the center of the signature. I did leave the tails of the stitching long and tied them in a bow. If you want to trim those down, you can. It's another journaling spot with some stamping. I also have some pieces in here from Calico Collage. This is one of those. So this is a long envelope, long skinny envelope. Fits down in the pocket here. We have a pocket here also. Have a large tag, the envelope, journaling space. So that's the end of the first notebook or signature. This is the second one. a faux envelope. That's what it looks like. Have a collage tag, a journaling space, and corner pocket. So there's lots of room for writing in this journal. I didn't want to over embellish, so we have a little flip there. Sprayed and stained paper. We've got aged paper. We have a variety of papers in here. This is a little tuck spot. Room for writing. The center of the signature. Another large tag and envelope with journaling space. So they have two tags, collage tag here, and then just a regular tag here. More of the paper from the collection, from the main collection that I used. Journaling card says caution. And this is a die cut of pumpkins that I illustrated. It also is a tuck spot, so you can tuck something in there. Then here is the next signature, which is a folder. And these are traveler's note, standard or regular traveler's notebook size, by the way. So if you wanted to put them in a different traveler's notebook, you could. It's a journaling card. And another journaling card with collage. Room for writing on the back. Let's turn it this way because I like the orange showing. Then here is another journaling card with some stamping and inking in the pockets. Then this is the last signature. It's got a little tag tuck spot with a collage tag in there, tucked in. Just a belly band, faux envelope with decorative punched corners, and then journaling space. Folds out. You can glue here to make this a little tuck pocket area. And then this is also a tuck spot here. So you can tuck something in there if you need to. Large tag. And the large tags have a black lace topper. There's the center of the signature. journaling card. Opens up. This is another fold out that you can turn into a pocket. This is an on-page pocket with a tag and a little piece of ephemera. Journaling spot with some stamping. Another journaling spot. And then that's the end of the signature. This is the back inside cover. And this is the back. Again, it closes with some black tulle. And of course, you could always change this out to something else if you choose. And that is it. This is what it looks like from the top, side. So this journal will be listed in the shop at Scrapcraftastic. I hope you enjoyed the flip through, and I look forward to sharing more journals with you soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll holla at y'all next time. Bye.